All right, we're at the Computex 2026 and we have Colin. Colin's going to show us around. So let's go, Colin.
So you already know our Fusion's 1600. So now we have CyberCore 3. Because this is our third version. And you can see there's something we want to say for this time is we also have software now, which is the Power Guard. It can help us to monitor our shelf life of the power supply and also our power consumption.
Can you tell me what this is? Is this something that you can buy for XPG?
No, this is just a demo for media.
This is a third generation of XPG power supplies. The first generation, what we were trying to do is make like power supplies that are at the edge of the efficiency level. The second generation is all about TX 3.1. The third generation is all about Xtreme Power Guard. Xtreme Power Guard is essentially our way to protect your GPU and your system. Okay. So CyberCore 3 is a platinum level power supply that compared to its first generation, the second generation is actually 20% cheaper, but also has some of the learnings that we did from Fusion, which is our titanium power supply, into platinum. So what the demo here is set to show is we're going to simulate the situation when one of the power lines on your GPU becomes too hot and it's gonna be basically burning, right? So almost burning limit is 12 ampere per single connection. The connections are normally designed for 6 amperes. Our cable can manage no problem
up to 12 amps.
Up to more. So how about we start killing power lanes?
Let's kill a power supply. Let's do it.
Okay. Turn off one.
Okay. This one here? Turn off? There you go.
Yeah, turn off one.
Boom.
Now you see that one is going to be below 3 ampere because there's still
this one right here. You see that there, below half, okay.
But you see that the others are picking up the slack. From 4 went to 6.
Ah, right. So when one gets failed, the other one takes up the load. Okay.
That's normal.
That's normal.
Kill another one.
Kill another one. Boom. So this one drops.
Now look at that.
This one drops.
This one drops, and now.
And then the other one gets
oh my God, they're getting toasted. Okay. Kill another one.
Wow. Are you sure now?
Yes,
You want me to kill the power supply? Okay, here we go. Do another one right here. Boom.
Boom. Okay, now it's getting toastier.
This one gets failed. Okay.
Now we're getting closer.
Oh no, these are all gone up. So these take up the load of the rest. Okay.
Yes.
Amazing.
How about you kill one more?
We wanna kill one more.
Yeah, kill one more.
You wanna kill one more? Let's do this. Let's do this. Oh, boom!
Okay.
So now
it sees that it's over 12. It takes 8 seconds to react because we want to avoid reacting to every spike.
Okay, so that fails. And now
the software tells you, hey, I'm getting toasty here, and I'm gonna shut down in 24 seconds.
Oh wow!
In 30 seconds, it's gonna shut down. So if you even kill another one, it's going to shut down because it's going to go over 18. At 18 is say, okay, you're not doing this, I'm doing this. But if not, it's going to recover.
It's going to recover. Okay, cool. And now we've put the switches back up, and now it's recovered. That's pretty good. That's like a live demo testing of.
And there is another thing that I want to show you. This is an XPG patent as well.
So only available from XPG.
We have a black box.
A black box? What's the black box?
So the black box is on that one. We actually have a whole chip. So if something goes wrong, we know what happens. Here's we have it on software. So if you're logged in on the XPG account, we actually can have a record of your failure.
Oh, so like literally like a black box from a flight recorder, right?
So
that kind of thing,
let's
where
say
you can record all the.
You call service.
Yeah.
Service can help you to look into this, and they know exactly what happened.
Wow, it's almost like a remote kind of like, you know, gives you all the information about all
if something fails, we know why.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Yeah. So this is available only on the XPG power supplies.
Yes, on Platinum. The gold version only has the flushing cable.
Yeah.
And also, if you don't like this flushing cable, this is a clip on the cable. You can put it anywhere on the cable.
Yeah,
you can put it somewhere else on the system. If you don't like this, you can actually reroute one of your fans or an RGB light strip or your room, whatever.
Yeah.
You can reroute through the RGB connector.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
All right, so this is all new from XPG. Pretty amazing. I've never seen so much stuff you can actually do with a power supply. Before, it was just a power box, you plug in the cables, that's it. But now you have monitoring, you have intelligent shutdown, like remote support and everything. That's amazing. That's pretty amazing.
If you're spending $3,000 for a GPU,
yeah, definitely.
You need a $200 power supply that saves
definitely.
it. Okay?
Yeah, that's true.
Yes.
That's amazing. So thank you for your time.